Hi, welcome back to our Visual English series, where we will be using our unique, wonderful method of teaching English as a second language. Today, we will be discussing cooking, various methods used to prepare our favorite meals, and we will be utilizing over 150 flashcards to help guide our students through the lesson and enhance their understanding of kitchen utensils as well as cooking techniques. Remember, our method Visual English involves asking the students the question twice and helping them to elicit the answers. So, our unit will be divided into three parts. The first part will be focusing on kitchen utensils. The second part will be talking about cooking methods. And the third part is a practical lesson where we will be making a wonderful, delicious muffin in a cup. So let's get to it. So here we have our flashcards. And the first part, like I had said before, we'll be focusing on cooking utensils. We always ask the students the question twice, so we can start and talk about spoons. What is he doing? He is eating soup with a spoon. Is he eating pasta with a fork or knife or a spoon? He is eating pasta with a fork. And is it a wooden spoon? Is it a metal spoon? How many spoons of sugar do you take with your tea? Um, is it a wooden spoon? Is it a metal spoon? A fork? Is it a plastic fork? Is it a wooden fork? What is on the fork? Is it a beautiful knife? Is it an ugly knife? Is it a useful knife? Is it a useless knife? Is it a sharp knife? Is it a dull knife? And once we finish discussing all these different types of utensils, from chopsticks to cups to glasses, what is it? Is it a glass of beer? Is it a glass of drinks? And we continue onwards and continue asking the students what type of kitchen utensil is it and what do they see exactly in the picture. We can continue onwards and move to the next part, which is cooking methods. So when we're talking about cooking methods, we will be discussing, for example, boiling, frying with a pan. This is in the book. You can tell the students first to fill in the exercise in the book. So what do we fry it with? We fry with a pan. The students will write the word. What do we use to fry food? We use oil and water. And then they have to write down here 3 things they can fry. And then we continue and continue asking, what is the person frying? What is he frying? He's frying pancakes. What is he grating? He's grating cheese, he's grating chocolate, he's grating vegetables, potatoes. What is he boiling? How long does it take to boil eggs? And we continue onwards until we finish the second part of our cooking techniques. Once we finish talking about cooking techniques, then after we can start the third part of our lesson, which concerns making a muffin in the classroom. So if you're lucky and have a microwave in the school, it will be a great opportunity for you and your students to learn how to make a muffin in a cup. So as you can see in the book, we have the ingredients where the students have to write down the ingredients. And then the instructions are here, and you can do wonderful practical lessons on how to make a muffin in the cup. You even have some videos here where the students can watch and follow the instructions and do this in the classroom with the teacher. After that, of course, we have our platform where we have different games. We have Kahoot, which is publicly available. We have Word Wall, where you have different quizzes in which you can do with your students for them to remember and make sure that they have understood all the vocabulary. So I do hope you enjoy this lesson. Thank you for joining us on our cooking journey. I hope your students will enjoy the lesson and find it both educational and enjoyable.